Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you small owl. And for this picture I need only 7 felt pens. Violet, dark blue, blue, black, yellow, pink and orange. Firstly, I take blue felt pen and I will start my drawing from the right bottom corner of the picture. This box is the bottom right corner of the picture. Mark it, and I should color 3 boxes to the left horizontally. From this box go up, turning to the left and color 8 boxes to the left horizontally. Now from this box go to the left diagonally and color 3 boxes one by one. Now go diagonally to the left and color 5 boxes up. Go diagonally to the left and coloring 5 boxes up. Now turning to the right diagonally and coloring 2 boxes one by one. From this box go diagonally, turning to the right and coloring 7 boxes horizontally. Now go diagonally down to the right and coloring 2 boxes one by one. Now go diagonally to the right and down and coloring 7 boxes down vertically. From this box go to the right and coloring 3 boxes down. From this box go down diagonally and coloring 5 boxes down. Now from this box count 2 boxes up, 1, 2, turning to the left, and from this box coloring all these boxes down vertically. From this box skip 2 boxes up and coloring here 1 box. Go diagonally to the right and coloring 1 box here. Now I take black felt pen and from this box skip 2 boxes down, 1, 2, 3, and coloring here 2 boxes horizontally. From this box go diagonally to the right, coloring 1 box. From this box skip 3 boxes to the right, 1, 2, 3, and coloring 1 box here. From this box go diagonally up and to the right and coloring here 2 boxes horizontally. Now I take sky blue felt pen and coloring here horizontally all these boxes, 7 boxes horizontally. From this box skip 3 boxes to the right and coloring 3 boxes horizontally here. And 1 box here. Now this 1 box I should color by sky blue, and here 1 box I should color by sky blue. And also these boxes I am coloring by sky blue. Now I take orange felt pen and from this box skip 2 boxes down, go down and coloring 2 boxes vertically. From this box go down and turning to the left, coloring 2 boxes horizontally. From this box skip 2 boxes to the right and coloring 2 boxes horizontally. Now I take yellow felt pen. From this box go diagonally to the right and color in one box here. Now skip one box to the right, color in one box here. And again skip one box to the right and color in one box. Now I take pink felt pen. From this box skip two boxes to the right and color in one box here. From this box skip one box to the right, color in one box. Again skip one box and color in one box. And again skip one box and color in one box. Now I take violet felt pen and from this box skip one box to the right and color in one box here. Skip one box, color in one box. Skip one box again to the right, color in one box here. And again skip one box to the right and color in one box. And that's all. My small simple pixel art picture is finished. It's very colorful all, very simple, easy drawing. Please give me your likes and subscribe to my channel Pixellenger Draws. See you soon, bye bye!